Wechaty Getting Started also provides the ChatGPT bot that allows you to interact with OpenAI services. You can find it in the Examples Professional folder. And since we interact with OpenAI, you do first need to get an API key from OpenAI that you would insert here, as well as a Puppet service token from Wechaty if that's required based on which platform you're using. But then you can just go ahead and follow the steps in the README to get your project file built. Once I've done that, I'm going to take a look at our bot file first. This is where we build our Wechaty bot and put in your API key. And since the default here is using the pad local service, and I'm going to use WhatsApp in this example, I'm just going to change my Wechaty puppet here to be the WhatsApp puppet. Then we can take a look at our utils file. This is where most of our functioning takes place. If we look at our onMessage function here, we see that we will pass our message into our OpenAI. And you can also change your model here if you would like to use a different OpenAI service. And we will receive that message from OpenAI and then pass the message text onto our user. So let's go ahead and run that. Once you're all logged in, I can go ahead and open WhatsApp and send any message I'd like to my logged in account on my phone here, and we see we get this typical AI generated response. So this is just OpenAI AI services, so we can ask anything that we'd like. We can say, write me bubble sort in Python, and we will get a response. So Wechaty offers a great way to access AI services in your favorite platforms. And then this bot is, of course, flexible, so you can insert other AI services, your own AI service. So Wechaty offers a great way to interact with AI in a more convenient platform.